Call me, Costa Sodiru today at 727-488-8222 of King Pineapple Group at Dalton Wade Real Estate. Looking for a perfect home? Then pack your bags and move into this 4-bedroom, 3 full bathroom, 2-car garage home in the beautiful Lakeside Community in Hudson, Florida, that was built in 2017. Once you walk through the front door, you're welcomed with an open floor plan with modern flooring, a split bedroom plan, and an in-law bedroom with a private bathroom. You will have a spacious kitchen with espresso cabinets, granite counters, stainless appliances with a huge island with a breakfast bar. Your beautiful dining area is only steps from the kitchen. The oversized master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets and an ensuite with granite counters with dual sinks, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower. When you walk through your sliding glass doors to the expanded patio, you will enjoy your spacious fenced-in rear yard with an in-ground fire pit and more to make those memories. In this beautiful natural setting of Lakeside, you have a resort-style clubhouse with a spectacular swimming pool and a full gym with locker rooms. Plus, you have a great area for gathering to play a game of pool, socialize with neighbors, or just sit back and relax. Surrounding the clubhouse in the tranquil setting of Lakeside, you also have a playground, dog park, barbecue area, fire pit area, dock on the lake, or you can play tennis/pickleball or a basketball game. This home is located close to beach.